The condenser fan motor went out on the air conditioner, so today I'm going to be replacing it. I will show you what it is doing so you can see how I know that the condenser fan motor is the problem. The AC system is on right now. I'm controlling this portion of it with the disconnect. Once I plug it in, it will turn on the compressor and condenser fan motor, and we will see what happens. Just for information, you can put these in two different ways. One way is basically for storage. You can put it in upside down and you might think, oh no, something is broken, it's not working. But you can see there's connectors here and there's connectors inside the box. If you put it in with the connectors on top, these connectors won't slide in to those connectors, so nothing will happen. As you just saw, you put it like that and nothing's happening. So turn it over, you'll feel some resistance as well when you put it in. That fan should be moving. You can see it tried, it started for just a second. I've seen it actually run for a few minutes and then just stop. Slow down and stop. Okay, nothing. So your compressor will overheat, eventually burn out your compressor maybe, cause some damage. The purpose of this fan is to pull the heat out of your house or office or whatever. It pulls the heat off the coils and off the compressor that you'll see once I take this fan cover off. So I'm going to remove this fan cover. The new motor is on order. It should be here today. First thing I'm going to do is just take this apart so it's ready when the new fan motor arrives. There's the new motor.